Hello guys, flash.fnx here. Today we're going to discuss about the DOGE 2.0. So hopping into their website over here so we can see the Doge coin 2.0. So the newer version of Doge is a DeFi token on the Binance Smart Chain born out of the original Dogecoin community. So if we scroll down we can see the Dogecoin but upgraded Dogecoin 2.0 aims to offer investors prolonged growth in utilizing a much more sustainable economic structure than its somewhat inflated predecessor. So taking a look at the BSC scan, we can see that they're currently sitting at 700 holders. As I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with over 182 members, as well as following them on Twitter where they post every update and everything that's been going on with the token. Also, I forgot to mention that they have a YouTube channel, and I highly suggest you guys going and giving them a subscribe. Getting onto the economics over here, so Dogecoin with the economics, each transaction of Doge 2.0 is taxed at 10%, 5% of which is automatically distributed to all DOGE2 holders, and the other 5% is divided in half. So the first half is sold into BNB tokens, the second half remains as Doge 2.0 tokens as they are attached to the BNB tokens that were sold by the contract as a liquidity pair. There is a rug pull proof, so it has a liquidity pool and the dev's wallet locked. This means that no one can rug pull this coin. The dev has also committed to not selling a dime of Doge 2 until it reaches double digits in price. Taking a look at the roadmap over here, so we can see that they have already deployed Doge 2.0 logo, website update, locking LP and dev wallet, and now in May to June CoinGecko listing, in June 2021 Dogecoin 2.0 merge store, June to July CoinMarketCap listing, August Certic audit, and in September exchange outreach. Taking a look at the whole chart right here, we can see that on the 13th of May it got the all-time high, and right now it's sitting at about a consolidation point. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys on how to buy Doge2. So first you'll need MetaMask or Trust Wallet with BNB in it. Go onto their website, click on find Doge 2.0 on Pancake, swap it to redirect you to the exchange. Now select whatever amount of Doge2 you want to buy. Make sure the slippage tolerance is on 12%, click on swap, confirm the swap, MetaMask will give you a notification and just click on confirm. That being it for this video guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on notification.